Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Monese is closing accounts. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer it for you. Before I get into the main topic, I want to take a moment to talk about what Monese is. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. It's a popular choice for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking option. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Why is Monese closing accounts? The reason. Monese has recently announced that it will be closing accounts for customers who have not used their accounts in the past 12 months. This is due to a change in the company's business model. Monese is now focusing on providing services to customers who are actively using their accounts. This news has caused a lot of concern among Monese customers. Many people are worried that they will lose their money if their accounts are closed. However, Monese has assured customers that they will not lose their money. Instead, their money will be transferred to a new account that they can access. What to do if your account is closed? If your Monese account is closed, you will receive a letter from Monese explaining the reason for the closure. You will also be given instructions on how to transfer your money to a new account. If you have any questions about your account closure, you can contact Monese customer service. How to avoid having your account closed. There are a few things you can do to avoid having your Monese account closed. Use your account regularly. Make sure that your account is active and in good standing. Keep your contact information up to date. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.